Day 11 adds a focused endpoint to reopen a completed task. The endpoint finds the task by ID, sets is completed to false, and returns the updated task. Day 10 added the complete endpoint. Day 11 adds the opposite workflow, reopen. Together they create a clean completion state workflow for tasks. By the end of today, iTask service should have reopened task, task service should implement reopen logic, the controller should expose the patch reopen endpoint, and README should be updated. The files to edit are itaskservice.cs, taskservice.cs, taskscontroller.cs, and readme.md. First, update the service contract. Add reopen task with an ID parameter. It returns nullable task response, where null means the task was not found. Next, implement the reopen logic. Search the in-memory task list, return null if the task is missing, set is completed to false, and return the updated task. The controller exposes HTTP patch with ID/reopen. It reads the ID from the URL, calls reopen task, then returns OK with the updated task or not found when the task does not exist. For testing, create a task first, complete the task, then call patch API task/1/reopen. The expected result is 200 OK with is completed set to false. A missing task should return 404. The success check is direct. Reopen task exists, the patch reopen endpoint exists, an existing task returns 200, a missing task returns 404, and the project builds successfully. After the reopen endpoint works, stop. Do not add user API, do not add SQL Server, do not add EF Core today, and do not redesign the architecture.